Hi kids! So today is the time that we will discuss about the two kinds of nouns. So what are the two kinds of nouns? Very good. We have common nouns and proper nouns. So what is the difference between common nouns and proper nouns? Common nouns is a name of person, place, animal, object, and event. It does not have a particular name. While a proper noun names a particular person, place, animal, and event, or it is a specific name of a person, place, animal, and event, and because it is a name of a person, place, animal, and event, it begins with a capital letter, just like your name, while the common noun begins with a small letter. Let us see the examples. We have teacher for common noun. Now, can you give that teacher a name to make it a proper noun? Okay, so you can say Teacher Joyce, Teacher Mikey, Teacher Precious, or Teacher Abby to make it a proper noun. Next, a baby. A baby is a common noun. Can you give a name to that baby to make it a proper noun? Think of a name for that baby. Can you give your own examples of common nouns and proper nouns? Okay, so if you weren't able to attend the live session, write your examples on your notebook. So do you get it? Let's practice. So you have the common and proper nouns mini game. So I have here a question board, and each number has a question. So if you weren't able to attend the live session, write your answers on your English notebook, and after answering it, take a picture of it and send it to my messenger account, Joyce GS Silvercrest. Okay, let us start. Question number 1. Is this a common or proper noun? So this is a common noun because a shop is a general name for a shop. It can be a coffee shop, a dress shop, or any shop that you know. Next is question number 2. Is this a common or a proper noun? So a month is a common noun because we don't know if what month is it. It could be January, February, or the rest of the 12 months of the year. Next, April. Oh, so what is April? Is it a common noun or a proper noun? So April is a proper noun because it is a name of the month. Next, question number 4. Is this a common or a proper noun? So a toy is a common noun because we didn't know what toy is it. It could be a toy car, a stuffed toy, or a kitchen playset. Next, question number 5. Is this a common or a proper noun? So this is a proper noun because we already know what park is it. It is Lynette Park. Next, question number 6. Is this a common or a proper noun? Okay, so it is a proper noun because we already know what place is it. It is a proper noun. Last number, question number 7. Is this a common or proper noun? This is a common noun because we don't know which classmate is this. Is this a boy classmate or a girl classmate? If your answers are all correct, then take the time to celebrate because you now understand what is common noun and proper noun. So again, what is a common noun and a proper noun? Write your answer on your notebook and send it to my messenger's account. I hope that you understand something from our lesson. That's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.